A professor came to class and wrote on the whiteboard, "A woman without her man is nothing." And he left the sentence without any punctuation. All of the male students in the class punctuated the sentence as "a woman without her man is nothing," according to some of their understanding of what it meant originally. On the other side, women punctuated the sentence as "a woman without her man is nothing." There are many moral lessons to this story. One of them is punctuation is powerful. Sometimes we misread messages sent us because we do not understand what the other person's intended message is, or because we understand things from our own perspectives. The other moral lesson of the story is don't judge before you understand the other perspectives. There might be intended messages embedded in each one of the sentences and in each one of the intentions that we do have. So if people do things in ways that do not make sense to you, don't judge them quickly and wait patiently, understand why they did that, and then make your judgment.